Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. Who has taken maximum wickets in one-day internationals? Answer is Muttaya Muralitharan. By which fission does Leishmania, the causative agent of Kala Azar, multiplies asexually? Answer is by binary fission. From which date shall the tenure of every panchayat be for 5 years? Answer is from the date of its first meeting. The last 3 digits of a pin code represent sorting district. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh Massacre? Answer is Lord Chelmsford. Which rays will deflect in electric field? Answer is cathode rays. Which act made the Indian legislature bicameral? Answer is Government of India Act 1919. By which a mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated? Answer is sublimation. The Uruguay round negotiations resulted in the establishment of which organization? Answer is WTO. Durand Line is the border common to which two countries? Answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Who stated that there was no slavery in India? Answer is Megasthenes. Which film was made by Satyajit Ray for children? Answer is Sonar Kella. Which part of human brain is a regulating center for swallowing and vomiting? Answer is medulla oblongata. What is the duration of proclamation of financial emergency? Answer is at the first instance 2 months. Which set of countries are completely surrounded by land? Answer is Mongolia, Zambia and Bolivia. Which ruler had granted Diwani to the East India Company? Answer is Shah Alam II. Radio waves of constant amplitude can be generated with? Answer is oscillator. When is International Day of Peace recognized by the UN is observed? Answer is September 21st. In which year was Rajiv Gandhi Gramin Vidyutikaran Yojana launched? Answer is 2005. Where is the southernmost point of India located? Answer is Great Nicobar. Which factory in Bengal? The one was established by the Portuguese. Answer is Hooghly. Which is used to know the development of fetus in uterus? Answer is ultrasound. During the proclamation of national emergency, which articles cannot be suspended? Answer is Article 20 and 21. Which oil is used in the flotation method for the purification of ores? Answer is pine oil. What is the name of the group of languages spoken by the largest number of people in India? Answer is Indo-Aryan. Which was the first metal used by man? Answer is copper. Why is the gross national income always more than net national income? Answer is direct taxes. In which country was the 2010 Football World Cup held? Answer is South Africa. Nal Sarovar Bird Sanctuary is located in which state? Answer is Gujarat. What was the first venture of Gandhiji in All India politics? Answer is Rowlatt Satyagraha. Which disease is caused by the bite of a mad dog? Answer is hydrophobia. Which is not the concern of the local government? Answer is public utility services. Most of hydrocarbons from petroleum are obtained by which method? Answer is fractional distillation. Which current is produced by upwelling of water off the coast of Chile and Peru? Answer is Humboldt current. During the reign of which Indian National Congress banned and over 1,20,000 persons were arrested? Answer is Lord Wellington. The Musalman, the handwritten daily newspaper in circulation since 1927, is published from which place? Answer is Chennai. Under what? How many slabs are there? Answer is 4. From the biological evolutionary point of view, the human heart is close to the heart of which animal? Answer is pig. Where does the cold Labrador current bring 9 months winter? Answer is eastern Newfoundland. Who led the agitation against the partition of Bengal? Answer is Surendranath Banerjee. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.